show you how to make a snowman so you can play too.
This is how you use a roll of toilet paper to wrap someone into a snowman. Start at the top by their shoulders. That helps it not fall down. This is getting comfy too.
If the toilet paper breaks, it's okay. Just tape on the broken piece.
I can't wait till she's done.
It's gonna look so cool.
I think we're done.
And there we go.
And voila! Then you can also use paper to finish decorating, like black circles for buttons.
The hat of the snowman. Final touches to start. Whoops, the butt.
And then you have a human snowman.
This is how we make snow.
We just use cotton balls. 1, 2, 3. It's snowing! And then you get to break out of it.
Come on, press here for more great videos. Come and play with us. You can do it. Press this button.